Hey everybody. So I've been making a few of these window vents for a portable air conditioning unit. So I've been working with a client on this one, and they wanted to be able to exchange the location of the port for the window unit. And so actually the client came up with this, was pretty clever. So if you notice on these pieces, there's a dovetail slot on either side of these. And then there's an actual dovetail, male dovetail on one side of these. Well, in this particular case, these pieces can be swapped around and used interchangeably. And so to add the flexibility to come up with alternate locations, all we needed to do was just add another dovetail to one end of these, and then you can put this port in any position you want. So say you want it in the center. Well, then you would locate it like this. Now it's in the center. Say you wanted to move it over to one side. In that case, we would connect two of these together. And now it's over on this side. And now say you want it over here. Take this apart, flip this around. Now it's on the other side. So that gives you all three locations depending on where you want to locate your window unit. And that just adds a lot of flexibility with real ease. All we added was that one little dovetail slot that gives you all that flexibility. Then one thing I improved on from the original design, where this grill was all integrated, is I created a secondary piece that then just screws in there, and it prints easier and just makes the whole process just a little bit simpler. Anyway, just want to take some time, show how some variations in this can give you different use cases for you if you have the need. Thanks so much.